At Waldinger, we aim high and empower individuals to lead boldly, to be the best, and work with the best. It's why we're committed to finding and developing top talent and ensuring every teammate has the opportunity to maximize their potential. We put people first. Always have. Always will. What began as a small family business over a century ago has grown into a powerhouse. And yet, our founding principles remain the same. Do what you say you'll do. Deliver quality without compromise. Build trust and respect in every relationship. Exceed client expectations through easy, excellent service. This is our mission. This is our standard. We are problem solvers, innovators, and teammates. Together, we lead our industries with integrity and excellence. Join Waldinger and help us set the standard.